This hot glue gun is so nice. Not only does it look good, it works very smooth, which is what you want in any kind of crafting tool that you're using over and over again. You want it to work smooth. It heats up fast, and it actually pulls the glue away from the tip, so there's no dripping. This is probably the best hot glue gun I have ever used, and I've used quite a few. All different brands, different sizes. This one's amazing, and it looks really cool, which is what you want to do if you're making influencer videos or any type of videos or craft shows. You want to look good, but you want it also to perform well, and this one hits both of those requirements. The Katerk full-size hot glue gun is a solid upgrade from the low-output craft guns most people are used to. It heats up fast, delivers a smooth and constant flow, and has enough power to handle real projects. One of the first things you notice is the rapid heat-up time. Thanks to the high-performance PTC heating element and aluminum alloy chamber, it's ready to use in about 60 seconds, even faster than many standard full-size glue guns. My previous glue gun heated up in 5 minutes. This one's 1 minute. Once heated, the 2mm precision nozzle delivers glue smoothly with no sputtering, and the output is impressive, up to 15 grams per minute, which makes it easy to keep moving on a larger project without constantly waiting for glue. Whether you're working on crafts, repairs, or shop projects, it keeps up without overheating or cutting out during longer sections. Glue stringing and random drips are greatly reduced, which keeps your workspace cleaner and helps prevent accidental burns. The kit includes 15 full-size clear glue gun sticks, so it's ready to use right out of the box. So I did some research, and mini and hobby guns I have 10 to 20 watts. 40 watts is a typical consumer glue gun, and this one is 60 watts. So this is a very good glue gun. It's nice looking, it's small and compact, and it really works great. This is now my new preferred glue gun.